Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Thursday said it has identified 51 lakh people who will be the first ones to get COVID-19 vaccination in the city under the central government's priority category. Addressing a digital press conference, the Chief Minister said currently Delhi has built and arranged storage capacity for 74 lakh doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. He said the storage capacity in the city will be increased further to 1.15 crore doses in a week's time. Kejriwal further said that each of the 51 lakh identified persons is being registered and an SMS will be sent to the person's mobile number notifying him/her about the date, time and place of vaccination. The corona situation in Delhi has improved over the past few days. The positivity rate has come down below 1% now. But everyone is waiting for the vaccine now. The Delhi government has made all arrangements and is ready to receive the vaccine doses from the central government, to store it and to administer it to the identified people, he said. Kejriwal addressed the media after he held a high-level meeting with health officials and other stakeholders on Delhi's vaccination strategy. He said the central government's priority category has been broken down to three parts: healthcare workers, frontline workers, and the elderly and those with comorbidities. Our healthcare workers such as doctors, nurses, paramedic staff and so on will be the first ones to get the vaccine dose in Delhi. We have identified 3 lakh healthcare workers who will be vaccinated. Next will be the frontline workers, which include police, civil defense volunteers and municipal workers. There are 6 lakh such persons. Third category is of those who are 50 years of age or older and those below 50 years who have comorbid conditions. There are 42 lakh persons under the third category, said Kejriwal. He said each person will be given 2 doses of the vaccine and the total estimated requirement of doses in Delhi as of now is 1.02 crore. The Chief Minister said sufficient centers or camps will be set up for administering the vaccine doses. In case anyone develops side effects, we also have teams of specialists ready to treat such people, Kejriwal said.